Hello, my name is Paul and welcome to this video. I wanted to make this short video to introduce affiliate marketing for beginners.co, which is a website that I am building. The reason for the website is I've just become an affiliate, and I've also joined Affiliarama, which is Affiliarama is an online training portal for affiliates. And it basically takes you through from beginners right through to intermediates to super affiliate. So what I'm going to be doing, what I wanted to do is actually to do a review of Affiliarama, but as it's such a big site and has just a wealth of information on there, I couldn't do it any justice by trying to review it in one sitting. So I've actually become a member of Affiliarama, and I'm going to be going through all the trainings. So I thought the best thing to do is to do an ongoing review. So I can give you all the feedback from my experience, what I found to work, what didn't work for me, just some to and fro feedback, so you can get an idea of how the experience is for someone like myself. Especially if you're new to affiliate marketing, just like myself. I'm sure you'll find it very useful to come back and see how someone else who's actually starting as well is finding it, and not just from the point of view of someone who's already experienced and who's showing you the way. So that's one of the main reasons to do it. So as I said, ongoing, as it happens, I'll give you the feedback and the news. You're welcome to also leave comments, to which I will reply. The other thing I wanted to say with Affiliarama is the membership is free. So and with that free membership, you get lots of videos and tons of information and some software which will help you along the way, as well as they do quite a few other interesting things like videos and webinars, which helps the affiliate to grow. So